Good evening, Yuvasri.
Good evening, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations that you have got placed.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, myself, Meenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Just give a small introduction about yourself, Yuvasri.
Myself, Yuvasri. I'm completed my undergraduate in RVS Engineering College, Chennai. So after that, I took IDM and BIM course in CMTI, and now I got placed as interior designer in Design Cafe.
Okay. So you have done interior design in CMTA, right?
Yeah.
So what are things you have learned in interior design things? You can just a little bit brief out regarding it.
Yeah, in interior design, we taught from like basics to like advanced. Basics like materials, finishes, and also like after in factory process, how the process will be done, and till the site execution as well.
Okay. You went for site visit, right? So how
Yeah.
many site visit you have went? How interesting it was to you?
In CMTA, they took to many site visits and like IBO, Pepper Fry, and IKEA, and much more site visits. It was very useful for us. Like we got to know like, all the interior materials, and we went to Glamwood site visit also. There they showed the process of like factory process, like from pasting, edge binding, and all those things.
So yeah, how was our CMTI trainers? So did you feel comfortable with them? So
Trainers were so helpful. Like they taught from not only from interiors, they taught from like civil side also, like basic constructions from civil side, and also like in depth in interiors.
okay. So how did you crack your interview? So that will be useful for upcoming students to pursue the course. You can just tell a few points.
Yeah, this is my first attempt for the interview. It was like 3 rounds. First round was like for HR round. They asked like basic details and all. Probably they're checking communication. Moving to the second round, that is manager round, which will be technical side. They asked about more about the CVs, what and all we have written in the CVs, and they asked about the like last projects and more technical questions. And after that, they gave me like a skill test, assign a small assignment. So based on that, they selected me.
That's great. CMTA app you used, right? So
Yeah,
while using it, it was like a user friendly or how was it?
it was user friendly.
So how was our CMTA staffs? So they coordinated you well. Did you feel fine with them?
They coordinated me very well. Like they helped me in placement also. So it was smooth actually.
Once again, congratulations. All the
Thank
best
you.
for your future, Yoshri.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the wonderful feedback. Thank you
Thank
so much.
you. Thank you.